The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold isn't just another foldable phone. It's a pocket workstation and a significant leap in mobile design. It's running on Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with 4.47 GHz octa-core processor. Talk about the display. You will get a massive TriFoldable Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x screen display with 10 inches screen size when unfolded and an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. RAM is 16 GB and storage is 512 GB and 1 TB. It's featuring a triple rear camera setup led by a high resolution 200 megapixel main sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens. Fingerprint will be side mounted. There will be 5600 mAh battery. It supports 45-watt fast charging. It runs on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.